Communal bowl of water. Thank you. Thank you.
Try not to, or like I didn't bring the ball. Usually I bring the ball and throw it in the water and he gets it, you know?
Yeah. Try not to get him too dirty today. It's impossible. It is the dog beach.
I'm too old for this.
I know. That's what 5 will do to you. Hi, Rosie. Oh, I know. Kata does that too.
Hey.
It's a sand dredger. What do they call those things?
I don't know.
Actually, I was in the Caribbean in the Caymans, and they do that by hand. Like there's a guy who pushes it around.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It's a small beach. Now is the third sand moving device on the beach today. This is a very well groomed beach.